Okay guys, we need to get this done soon. Let's do your part, okay? Wait, what is my second part? Just figure it out. Okay. Sam, where's your presentation slide?
I don't know. I was doing that. I thought I just researching.
What's all meant? I told you had more time. This is a mess. You are not ready at all.
In the first scene, it's evident a team lacks proper planning and open communication. As a result, they fail to comply the reporting requirements and they are completely unprepared.
Alright team, let's make sure that we're on the same page this time. Okay, Sam, can you work on the research and also make slides? Deadline Wednesday.
Got it. Slide by Wednesday. Clear.
Jordan, can you handle the visuals and help polish the final layout? I can help you with editing.
Perfect. Let's share files on Google Drive so we're all updated.
Sounds good? Sounds good. Alright team. Team! Okay na?
In the second scene, the leader, Alex, ensures that every team member understands their specific roles and tasks. Alex and the team communicate and plan effectively to ensure the next report is successful. From initial confusion to confident collaboration, this team's journey highlights the importance of open communication. Their successful presentation is not just culmination of hard work, but a celebration of effective teamwork.